Yo, it's the exam coach checking in with you. In this video, you'll learn about some of the key mindsets and best practices to get started improving your grades at school. Okay, squad, 5 ways to do phenomenally better at school. Number 1, get over the idea that studying is for geeks. Yep, I know that studying and paying attention in class isn't exactly the coolest thing going on at the moment, and nor was it when I was at school. But here's the catch. These geeky things called grades grant you access to a whole load of cool stuff down the line. I'm talking uni, parties, sports, pizza, and a job you don't hate. Get your head right. Do what you gotta do to get to where you wanna be 10 years from now. Crack on. Number 2, you need the right tools. And I'm not talking about these kind of tools. I'm talking syllabus, past papers, mark schemes, model answers. Okay, the syllabus. This contains everything you need to know for each of your subjects. Past papers, these give you an indication of the types of questions you're going to be asked based on the information in the syllabus. The mark scheme, this contains the answers to the questions on the past papers. And finally, model answers. These babies strut up and down the catwalk for a living. Just kidding. What they really do is they show you the best answers to the questions written by students who have already taken the exam. How do you get all these tools? Ask your teachers, ask your friends, ask people who have already done the exam you're about to take. And the third way to do phenomenally better at school is to cut the chit chat out. Cut it. Seriously guys, you gotta cut the talking out this year if you wanna do better at school. Cut it. Okay, that's enough. I'll cut it out. Cut it. So when I was at school and I thought about why I wasn't learning, the real reason I came up with is I couldn't actually hear the teacher's voice in class because of my own. Try it out. Just focus on not talking in class. I guarantee you will be surprised about what you can pick up. Way number 4. So you've cut the talking out in class, but I still get students coming to me saying, hey coach, my attention span, it's shocking. I can't pay attention. I can't focus. I'm daydreaming. And I say, hey, here's a top-notch exam coach tip for you. Actively try to pay attention in class. Pretend what the teacher is talking about is something you're genuinely interested in. I'm thinking the footy results on the weekend, Jay Beebs' latest, hottest track, or a cheeky catfit. And then you break it down into 5-minute sets of paying attention. Before you know it, you've understood a little bit, and you've done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, depending on how long your class is, and you're good to go. And last but not least, review your work on an ongoing basis. I'm not saying work yourself into the ground and start revising from the moment you get home. What I am saying is you should have a quick scan or review of your notes on the way home from school, on the bus, or as soon as you get home, dedicate 15 to 30 minutes to review your notes from that day. The purpose is twofold. The first reason is to check that you've understood everything properly. If there's something you haven't understood, lock and load those questions for tomorrow. The second is the method of periodically reviewing your work, verbalizing it, internalizing it, testing yourself on it, is a proven revision technique. The fancy name for it is active recall combined with spaced repetition. What this does is it refreshes the information in your head just before you're about to forget it. Constantly reviewing information in this way and actively trying to recall it whilst you're out and about, at home, between classes, wherever, whenever, helps us truly understand the information and gives us the ability to recall it in a more pressurized situation, which is in the exam room, and that's what we want to do. Okay, so that's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe down below if you want more help with the exam coach, where we study like it's a sport. I'm checking out.